due to the influence of the China, Maldives, once again, they have created a hurdle, the relationship between India and Maldives. Maldives, whenever Maldives wants the help from the India, India always come the front and give them all the possible helps. From water, from maritime, from research, everything India provided to the Maldives. But Maldives scrapped the policy of the India's first. The newly elected government of the Maldives, they have ousted the 75 Navy personnel of the India in December 2023. And they have also scrapped the pact that was done by the previous government of the Maldives in 2019 for the study of the hydrography in Maldives. So these two steps of the newly elected government of the Maldives, that is very shocking for the India. So that's why this was the reason behind it. Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi went to the Lakshadweep. Lakshadweep has just 36 islands. So Indian government is going to develop these 36 islands as a tourist places like Maldives. Maldives is a country that is situated in the Hindu Ocean, and Lakshadweep that is came to the India's ambit, and it is situated in the Arabian Sea. But the distance between these two destinations is very marginal, and then maritime life as per the same as the Maldives as per the Lakshadweep. So that's why the 36 island of the Lakshadweep is going as a tourist places like Maldives, because the Maldives whole economy that is totally dependent upon the tourism, and the lakhs of the people of the India and the world, they always went to the Maldives for the tourism. So that's why if the Maldives that was at this time in danger point at the Indian point of view, if India is able to develop the 36th island of the Lakshadweep as a tourist hotspot, so it will a direct impact on the economy of the Maldives. So this is the reason behind it why PM Modi went to the Lakshadweep. When PM Modi went to the Lakshadweep, then after the three ministers of the newly elected government of the Maldives, they have started to abusing words, unsocial words on the PM Modi. So that's why this is the reason behind it. And a number of the Indians, the whole India, and then after Bollywood too, also supported the effort of the Narendra Modi, Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi, to develop the maritime and tourism industry in the Lakshadweep. So this was the reason why we need to teach a lesson to the Maldives as per their scrapping the pact in 2019 for the hydrographic study in Maldives, and then after 75 Navy personnel they just sent back to the India. Actually, China, they gave the loans to their nations, to their other part of the small nations. When that small nations could not afford the loan and could not give the loans to repay the loan to the China, then after China started to create the pressure on that government. You can give me an island, then after we develop a army base camp. So that's why it may be possible in the future, Maldives, which was the burden of the debt on the Maldives can hand over the many or one of the island to the China, and China did not want India's presence in the Maldives. This was the reason behind it. So that's why we need to develop Lakshadweep as a tourist spot to counter the Maldives, and China that is influencing the government of the Maldives. It is very needful that we have to counter attack on the China to develop the Lakshadweep as a tourism, as a tourist place, and then after an army camp also. So it is very necessary. We need to teach a lesson to the Maldives newly elected government. Then after we can be safe in the Arabian Sea and the Hindu Ocean.